All right, question number 5. So what do we got to do? We follow these rules right here. PEMDAS. All right, so do I have any parentheses? I don't see any parentheses. Do I have any exponents on outside of a parentheses? I don't see any. I see these have exponents, but there's no exponent that needs to be distributed. So I'm done with that, done with that. Now we do multiplying or dividing. Do I have any same bases up top that can be multiplied? I got 54, A, B, and C. There's nothing up top that can be multiplied together. I have all different things in the bottom, so there's no multiplying is going to happen, but we do have division, right? Because we have C divided by C, B divided by B, A divided by A, and we got these numbers divided by each other. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to separate these into smaller problems real quick. So let's say that's going to be something right there. This is going to be something right there. This is going to be something right there. Don't want that. And this is going to be something right here. I won't separate them right now. We can just kind of simplify. That way the video is not as long. So 54 divided by 9, that's going to be 6, right? Bam. And then so when we divide, the A's become 1, right? So we have 1A, and it's simplified. So let's go see. I'm going to rewrite it over here. Actually, I'll write it right here. No, let me just do it on the side of the work. Sorry. All right, so we have 8, we have -7. When we're dividing, we subtract exponents, so it's a negative minus 4, right? So it's -7 minus a -4. What happens when we have minus a negative? Minus a negative, these actually turn to a positive, right? If you don't remember that, that's an easy rule to remember. So I actually have -7 plus 4. That's going to be a to the -3. All right, so I got a to the -3rd. All right, so that gives me that. And what does my b give me? All right, so then we have b, so that's actually 3 minus 9. That's actually 3 minus 9. What is 3 minus 9? That's b to the -6. So we got b to the -6. I know we got negative exponents. We got to make those positive. Give me 1 sec. All right, and we got this c's got to be subtracted as well. So we got c. What do we actually have? We have 15 minus a -5. What is going to be minus a negative? Oh, we know that becomes a positive. All right, so 15 plus 5 is actually c to the 20. C to the 20. Bam. All right, cool. So that's what we have right there. Now, how do we make any negatives positive? We got to switch their position. If they're negative in the top, we got to move them, make a fraction, and move them down. So real quick, I know this is going to change to 1 over a to the 3rd times 1 over b to the 6th. That's how we make them positive. And I still got 6 here, and I still got c to the 20 here. Now, I got to push this all together, so my answer won't look like that on any test or anything like that. So how do we do that? We just got to multiply them back. Well, real quick, I got a fraction here, and I got a fraction here. I can make these fractions, bam, just like that. And now what do? We just multiply fractions. How do we multiply fractions? Straight across. Top times top, bottom times bottom, done. All right, here we go. 6 times 1 times 1 times c, that's just going to be 6, c 20. We got 1 times a to the 3rd times b to the 6th times 1. You just pushed everything back together. That is your final answer. Done.